Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet. And welcome to Junk Journal January, day 29. Can't believe we're already so far into this challenge. The prompt for today is reveal. So let's grab our junk journals and get creative together. For today's prompt, the spaces in my junk journal that are still free getting shorter and shorter, and I decided to use one of the smaller pages as well as the page beneath that to fill up for today's prompt. I thought it would be a fun place to do something on the empty page as well as on the page beneath that, so that you could kind of make them interactive to reveal something to incorporate the prompt for the day. And I just first decided to use one of the old vintage illustrations I had still laying around and include them on the inside. So that's kind of the thing we will revealing if we open up the little page. You will see me later on making a little tag spot for the small page to go into so that it kind of stays close in the first moment, and you just have to open that up to reveal the spread of day 29. Here I'm just adding some washi tape elements with the little quote and just decorating the page a bit. Also, I did include in this spread another one of my Dark Academia tag printable things as our ephemera, and it's also just glued down at the side with some washi tape to make that also something you can fold back to reveal the botanical illustrations from the book page underneath. And here I did get this little heart cutout thing to punch a hole into the spread as well as into the tag to kind of have a little bit of a peek through hole in the different layers of the spreads and everything, so that you can peek through it and look for something to reveal. In a way, I just thought that were something that could be a nice fun element to play around with in this spread today, because to be honest, in the first moment I felt like today's prompt was a bit difficult. It wasn't really one of the prompts I had an immediate idea for, so it took me a bit of a while to figure out what I wanted to do for the day. So I'm just playing around with some layers in this spread. How are you all guys doing? How is the final moments of our Junk Journal January challenge going so far? Here I'm unboxing a new washi tape I got from a friend, brought from Japan, and I really wanted to include the dotted pattern of this washi tape into one of the hearts on the cover of the page. So how is your Junk Journal January going? Are you up to date or do you still need to catch up? Let me know in the comments down below. I would absolutely love to hear from you and also hear what you think about my spread. I don't really know. I hope it is kind of fitting for the prompt of the day, but it's a bit of a spread where I'm not so sure if I nailed the theme of the day, but I feel like it's fine. On some days the page turns out perfectly and you have a super crazy perfect idea for the prompt, and on others you don't. I think the more important part is to show up and create something anyways. I did that, and that's what I'm really proud of. So I'm happy with this outcome anyway, and I'm happy that we are still going strong and pushing through every obstacle for our Junk Journal January challenge and filling this bad boy up. Can't wait to share with you the completed Junk Journal January tour on the weekend, and I think it might become a really long video, but we will see how much I have to talk about each individual spread when we get there. But I must say, I'm really happy with how this challenge turned out, and it was so much fun to take part in, and I'm really happy with how all those spreads turned out. Even not everyone has to be the complete masterpiece and my all-time favorites, but all in all, how this junk journal is coming along is really nice, and I'm really happy about it. And so I'm starting this new creative year feeling very accomplished for having stick through this challenge for so long now, and I think we all can be proud of our accomplishments with this Junk Journal January challenge so far. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And if you want to join me on this creative adventure and many more creative adventures to come, hit the subscribe button down below. And until then, happy creating. See you very soon.